Everybody, this is Pun, the Frugal Streamer, and I have an open box in review of these eyeglasses. These are computer glasses designed to filter blue light from CGID. It is a company that is starting out to market here in the United States with affordable frame glasses. These are blue light filter. They're supposed to filter up to 90% of blue light coming from your monitors, which reduces eye strain and reduces the headaches that result from the eye strain, and also helps with fatigue. So let's go ahead and get into the open box. We'll show you what the different glasses we have, what comes with the glasses in the box, and then I'll talk about these that I've been using now for a little over 3 weeks. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so when you get your glasses, you will get a nice little black box like this with the CGID logo there on the outside of the box in chrome. The box itself is very nice. So you open the box, and inside the box you will get a carry case, an instruction booklet, and you'll get some data based on the testing that they have done for the glasses, and you get this little toolkit so that if your glasses get loose, you can tighten them up. We'll go ahead and unscrew this little guy, show you what it is. There you go. It's a little Phillips head. Pretty nice. Hooks up on your key ring. I thought it was pretty handy actually when I saw that. I was surprised. So in the carrying case, which is also logoed with CGID on it, you get a pair of glasses, which you see here. These are the vintage yellow, and these are the yellow lensed versions that I got. I'll open these up. They come in a protective bag so that they are free from damage. And these are sexy, man. Let's check these out. So these are blue. These are yellow tinted ones, more like the standard gaming glasses that you would check out. These are black, framed on the outside, and light blue, what I would consider almost a gray blue on the inside, which is pretty fresh. So those are pretty cool. I like those. You got the vintage V on the side of the frame there, which is sexy. All right. You get a package. This is it's a carry case. It's a soft case that you could also use to wipe your lenses with, and it also comes with a cleaning cloth, which is nice. So here is the cleaning cloth, which it's actually a different material. So this is the carry bag, all right? This is the cleaning cloth. This cleaning cloth is actually nice. It's really nice. It's thicker than your standard soft bag that you would carry. And it does a great job at cleaning these glasses. That's what I've been using since I started using these. So you get a hard case, you get the soft case, and you get a cleaning cloth in addition to the toolkit and these glasses. All right. So I've had both of these frames. I've been using both of these, and I've found that these frames actually fit me a lot better than these. These are actually kind of small on me. So I have a big head. We can get the stats of these on the website. I'll post a link to each of these CGID site, and they will give you the stats for each of these, the measurements. And these things. Actually, these don't fit too bad. These are actually pretty good. Except they're not long enough in the back. That's the only problem with these for me personally, is that they're not long enough in the back, and these aren't adjustable. Whereas these are. So these frames here, you can see I've adjusted these. You can slide them up and down to meet your needs. So I've used these, and I've actually taken it all the way off. But you can slide these up and down to fit the back, and these really fit me well. I like these a lot. These are super light. Now the frames are more durable. They're a harder plastic, but they claim that you can actually bend these. So you can see what you could do here. These are highly flexible. Oh, and I just flipped them out. So they say that you could bend these, and these are highly durable. As you can see, I'm bending this. So these actually would probably withstand more damage, and you see they snap right back into place. So it's pretty nice. I like these a lot. These are really light feeling on the face. They you hardly can tell that you're wearing them. I mean, you could feel them, don't get me wrong, but they're not heavy on the face at all. And because they're really thin, they fit well with these right here. I can put these on, and I can't tell that I'm wearing glasses. Now with these other ones, these are heavier on the face. These are a little thicker, but they're still good and flat. So they still wear well with the headphones. I don't have, I still don't have any issues, and I've wore both of these for extended amount of times. These yellow lenses are really clear. Really, I like these a lot. They're yellow, so there's something you got to get used to with yellow lenses, but they are crispy. That is, there's something about them that makes things clearer. And they're not prescription. They don't have magnification to them. They're not reading glasses, but for some reason these are nicer. The way things look on the screen, that's crazy. These are supposed to have anti-glare, but I do, with all my lights going on here, I've got lights above me up here, I've got the two key lights over here, I'm catching glare in the top of these glasses for some reason, even though they're supposed to have anti-glare coating, and it's kind of weird. I don't have it with these. So there you go. Maybe that's what the clear does. Maybe that's what the difference is. But the good thing about these glasses is that they are affordable. So you can get these on Amazon right now. I'm looking. The CGID CT46, which is one I'm wearing now, are $21.99 on Amazon. The vintage CGID Square Vintage glasses on CGID's website is $24.99. Comes with all the accessories you have here. I'll provide links to both of these below in the description. Overall, though, I have noticed that the fatigue is not there after working hours, multiple hours on the computer like they normally would. So the blue filtering, they definitely do that. I can't attest to exactly how much blue filtering it does. Like I said, they claim, the ones that I'm wearing now, they claim that they were reject 90% of blue light coming off of your screens. So, and they definitely do that. Now these are a lot. The contrast with these are normal colors. They have good contrast. They're good and clear. I guess under normal use, if you didn't have all these lights, you wouldn't have the glare like I'm seeing literally right across the bridge of my nose there is where I'm seeing it. But for the price, I think they're pretty good. I like them. And CGID is going to give me some glasses to do some giveaways with. So if you are interested in joining the giveaway, I will provide links. I'll give that out here shortly. But these glasses are great. And if you're looking for a decent, affordable pair of computer eyewear to wear while you're gaming or while you're doing content creation, or even if you're at work, working on a computer all the time, I definitely check these out. So anyway, I'm going to provide an affiliate link down below for Amazon. You could click on that. That would help me out a lot. It doesn't cost you anything extra. And anyway, thank you everybody for watching this open box and review video for CGID glasses. Like I said, if you're interested in these, I'll have the links below that you can click on them. And I just thank you for taking the time to watch this. I do appreciate it. I also want to say thank you everybody, because yesterday, I passed 10,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, which is freaking awesome, and I could not have done it without you, my big supporters. Now, if you want to support me beyond just the YouTube, I do have a Patreon page. This Patreon page, you can support me monetarily for as little as $1.50 per month, and it goes up to, I think, $15 per month. And there you get different perks, from getting recognized in the end credits of my videos. Right there, those guys. Those guys have. Or you can go and you can get the top tier, which gives you things like a custom stream package, t-shirts, that sort of thing. So if you are interested in that, visit my Patreon at patreon.com/frugal streamer. You can also catch me on Mixer at mixer.com/TFS_pun and on Twitch at twitch.com/the frugal streamer YouTube or YT. I do appreciate that. I will be streaming more on Twitch again. I have been streaming mostly on Mixer, but most of you guys want to watch me on Twitch. More of you have been subscribing to Twitch, so I'm going to respond as that's what a good content creator should do. So anyway, I do appreciate it. Stand by for the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. That includes an Elgato Stream Deck, these glasses, and I'm working on something else too with a sponsor that I have started working with. More to follow on that. All right, guys, so thank you. I do appreciate it. I love you guys. I appreciate you for what you have done to help me grow over the past 2 years as a streaming education channel on YouTube. I cannot thank you enough. And I hope to see you come back again. So make sure you hit the like, hit the sub, hit the bell so you know when I go and publish another video. And hopefully we'll see you back again. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great rest of your week. Be safe out there, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.